A dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name. Amen. I get video wey I want present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
As we have come to address the Southeast National Assembly led by Ekpa, Dr. or Professor Ekpa. We have come to bring to them, to the politicians of the Southeast, South, the message of hope. If they want to listen, we have come to bring the message of hope. And we have listened to many of them. We've listened to many of them, and it is time to talk to them if they are really for the people or against the people. We are going to also discuss this evening some of the breaking information and breaking news that indigenous people of Biafra once again drag Nigeria government and their terrorist army to the International Criminal Court with a groundbreaking application. We are looking forward that it will be the end point. We are not going to go further there. In the nearest future, I hope to see one of the backbone and pioneer, one of the attorneys coming here to address us. People say that the sound is not good, so I have to refresh. Right. There we go. Don't mind me. All right. Welcome and welcome again. Welcome and welcome again. We have refreshed and I believe the audio is better now. The audio is better. The audio is better. All right. So we are going to go on commercial and then we continue after that.
Freedom is coming, oh Freedom is coming. Freedom is coming. Oh yes, I am. Oh yes, I am. Oh yes, I am. Oh yes, I know. Yes, I am. Oh yes, I am. Oh yes, I am. Oh yes, I know. Oh yes, I know. Justice is coming. Justice is coming. Justice is coming. Oh yes, I know. Justice is coming. Justice is coming. Justice is coming. Oh yes, I know. Oh yes, I know. Oh yes, I know. Oh yes, I know. Yes, I know. Oh yes, I know. Oh yes, I know. Oh yes, I know. Yes, I know. Freedom is coming. Freedom is coming. Freedom is coming. Oh yes, I know. Freedom is coming. Freedom is coming. Freedom is coming. Oh yes, I know. 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 Oh yes, I know.
Welcome back again. I believe the sound should be good now. Is the sound coming out? Is the sound coming out? Thank you very much, Litlochi, for your super chat. We appreciate you. God bless Mazen Amdekano and his disciple, MSA. We are winning. And God bless every agitators. And God bless the DOS and the leadership of Biafra. Today is going to be the beginning of a new dawn. The beginning of a new dawn in this whole thing. Peace, unity, and progress. Not the peace, unity, and progress of Nigeria. No. That is fake. The peace, unity, and progress of Nigeria is fake. So I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about that. I have come this evening to address the caucus of the National Assembly from the Southeast, led by Ekpa. We've seen them. They are here again. They are here again. Before I go forward into this program today, being the 15th day of September 2021, I will want to use this opportunity to apologize to viewers on behalf of our women, on behalf of anybody who may have, one way or the other, spoke in a manner that so many people don't like. Yesterday, on behalf of our women, I apologize to anybody who misunderstood them. And I will make it very clear today that going forward, this platform will not be used to insult anybody, not any group, not anybody, but it is going to be used and always will be used for anything that is going to move Biafra forward. And that's what our women have done yesterday. They have come here to project something to project ideas, to project and register anger, register disagreement, and it is the right they have exercised very judiciously. In the process of this exercising this right, some people may make some statement that may not go down well with a lot of people. So, if the statement of our women yesterday somehow didn't go down well with you, forgive and forget. It is time we stop all this gossip and move forward. From today, this platform will not be used to attack anybody. It will not be used to attack any group. It will not be used to insult any group. This is an open platform that everybody is welcome. Everybody is welcome here. It is where we dish out informations and create awareness. So if you feel that something that was said here yesterday didn't go down with you, I apologize on behalf of our women. Remember that sometimes the way people present things, the understanding and the comprehension is not always the same. The reason why I am doing this is because I can imagine myself writing something on social media and people will read it and still not understand it. That shows you the level of damage in our brains, the level of damage in our understanding, the level of damage in our comprehension, the level of damage in ability to comprehend what we read and hear. So if people can read posts that I made and they read it the first line, they read the second line, they read the third line, they come back again and read the first line, read the second line, and they're still not understanding it, or they're still on purpose twisting it to suit whatever agenda they have. You can imagine what people are doing with some of the things our women said yesterday. So, if whatever the women have said yesterday didn't go down with you, I apologize on their behalf. But we have to move forward. And nobody will attack anybody from this platform. Nobody will be allowed to attack anybody from this platform, starting from today. We are now focusing on a very, very, very important task ahead of us. The tasks ahead of us are many. We have to see the freedom of our leader. We have to see referendum. We have to see Biafra. We have to see justice for every man and woman killed in Biafra land. We have to see justice for those who are in police detention. We have to see justice for those who are being raped every day in police cell, including those they are going to kill tomorrow. We have to see justice for everybody in Biafra land. And seeking this justice for them requires focus, requires time, requires energy, requires investment, requires everything that we have. So we don't want any distraction. We don't want any distraction. We do not want any distraction. Also, let me also say this here before I start. Some people were sacked, some people were removed for whatever reason. But the point is that sometimes you misfire. when you remove people, sometimes thinking that the people you are removing are your problem. Sometimes the people you remove may not be your problem. Sometimes we continue to blame people and blame others that they are our problem. Every time we blame people, you are our problem, you are causing the problem. And not knowing that the problem is coming from us. Those who are sacking and removing people, thinking that the people they are removing are their problem, actually may be their own problem. So irrespective of how we want to respect, irrespective of how we want to protect the institution, we have to do it with truth, justice, and fairness. And then also, on this note, if the DOS feel that maybe people have used my program or my platform to attack them or do something that they don't like, I am also apologizing to them. Biafra struggle is more important to me than any other thing in this life. Biafra freedom is very important. It is the reason why I am in this media. It is the reason why I am doing everything I'm doing with other people who are well-to-do and very meaningful people who want freedom as well. I am not here to fight anybody. I am not here to build cabals. I'm not here to side anybody. I am here to work with anybody who is ready to move the Biafra struggle forward. For commenting this, you will be blocked here. I don't condone nonsense. Yes, Nelly is using you. She will turn on you soon. You are a very big idiot. Nelly is a well-to-do lady who have sacrificed her own money, her finance, her time, everything, including family. What the hell have you done? Calling yourself Dot. You can't even have the impetus and the zeal to answer your name on social media. You are a faceless idiot. Maggot. People who are supposed to talk are those who have their names and pictures on their profile. You don't come here and give yourself a dot, constitute nuisance, anonymous scammers. We are going to block you here and never come to this place again. We do not need you. We need people who are one Nigerians. We need people who don't know who Nelly is. Because if you know Nelly, it means that you are a Biafran. We don't need you. Go away from here. If you know who Nelly is, it means that you are a Biafran. So we don't need you. I don't need you here. I need those who can, say that they don't want Biafra, to convince them. So this stupid idiot called Dot, you can go and, you have been blocked, of course. You can go and register another account. Because I don't think somebody with your name over your dead body will you do what, even 1/4 of what Nelly have done. You can't even write a page. You can't even write a page. You cannot write a page. That your laziness is leading you to write your name Dot. Because you are a very lazy person, whoever you are. Some of you are lazy. You are using shorthand. You are writing shorthand. You are too lazy to the extent that you are even not writing your own name. And again, another one, you will be blocked. Daniel Mose, this is where I'm going to be blocking you today. You don't come here and attack Nelly. And this one called, what is the name? Daniel Mose. Daniel Mose, what Nelly have done in this struggle, I don't think anybody in your family have done it. So you are going to be blocked. We don't need you here. The only way I'm not gonna block you is that when I don't see you. Because you are a Biafra already, so if I block you, we are not losing anything. Nobody must attack anybody on this program. We are going back to drawing board. We are going back to drawing board. Before you come here and talk ill about Nelly, I want you to show me what you have done better than her. So I will not condone any attack on Nelly here. And I will also not condone any attack against the DOS. Henceforth, if you attack DOS, I will block you. Just pay attention to what I'm about to do. Okay? If I have problem with DOS, I will complain and I will complain here. That is my personal problem. But when I'm not talking about them and when I'm not complaining about them, don't come here and complain on my behalf. We are serious now and we mean business. The business we mean now is that our leader must come out of the DSS. We have a timeline. We have a timeline. Our leader must come out of the DSS. One thing is that when you least expected is when I will strike. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right. And on this note, this whole issue is now put to rest. From my own end and from this side. I want to tell a story. I want to tell a story. The story goes like this. One man was leading organization. And every day, there is problem. Every day, there is problem. When somebody bring good idea, the other one, abayoku. Another one bring good idea, another one, abayoku. This one bring another idea, the another person, abayoku. And this is happening, and these people, this organization, were not moving forward. They were not moving forward. Another one, apia yoku. So one day, one of the elder in that meeting, in that organization, say, everybody must come to meeting. Where is this prom-pom? I don't know whether pom-pom or whatever. Is he a Biafra? If the person is not a Biafra, we may allow him to stay or her to stay. Okay, we are only blocking Biafra. If the pom-pom is not supporting Biafra, allow the person to stay. The spirit when I will do hand like this, the spirit will possess him. So, one day the elder in the meeting said that they are going to, that everybody must come. That I have finally find out the devil in this organization. And people were like, how can this man say that he have found out the devil in this organization? Everybody was waiting to see. They said that they are going to expose the people that are the evil people in this organization. So, the day of the exposure, the day of the exposure of the people who are the evil in the organization. Everybody dressed and came. They want to know who is the evil man. So, the elderly man came ahead of everybody. He went to a room in the hall where they are having that meeting. He went there and put a standing mirror in that room and locked it. And that room was very small room, that when you enter that room, the thing you see is a very big and giant mirror. So this elderly man came ahead of everybody and was waiting for people, and people were coming in. They want to see who is this evil man that is bringing the downfall of the organization. So, after everybody have gathered, the old man now stood up and started giving speech and said that they went to the highest dibia in a faraway land, and they contributed money, the union contributed money and paid for these people to go and do this consultation to know who is the evil person in this union. And you know what? Now, after this man giving the speech, he said he is going to start from the chairman, the current chairman of that particular organization. That is going to start from the chairman, that he actually have brought the person who is sabotaging and who is the evil man in this organization. That he is sitting there inside the room. That he wants everybody to go one after the other to see the problem of the union, to see the reason why the organization and association is not moving forward. And when you go there, you see that man. When you come out, don't speak. Sit down here until everybody must have gone to see the man. And women, of course, you know, because I'm just telling you a story about what happened. And let me tell you, when you are addressing this issue, when you say men, you are also referring to women. Now, after the chairman went to the room, and immediately he went to the room, the eye, because he don't normally, there is no mirror there normally. So immediately he opened that room, he went straight, and what he saw was that mirror, big mirror like this, and he saw himself inside the mirror. It was like, where is the person? So he closed the door and came out and was smiling. Okay. He was smiling. And every other person in the room was very anxious, very, very curious. Who is this person? Chairman saw the person and smiling. This one, you get as a So chairman saw the person who is the problem of this union and he's smiling. The chairman came and sat down. The deputy, is your turn. Go and see the problem of this union. He stood up and opened the door. He opened the door. He looked at the mirror. He saw himself. He looked out. He didn't see anybody. He came back again and started smiling. He closed the door. He sat down. In all these things that was going on, nobody knew what that old man did. So that was how everybody in that room went to that room and saw themselves in the mirror and came out smiling. Okay? After this experiment, they were too curious. They told this man, we gave you the money now. So but when everybody had been to the room, the old man was like, They were asking the old man, so what did, is the mirror the magic, is the mirror a magic mirror? Is it the mirror that, that will evoke something or something? So the man now stood up. The old man said, I hope you all went to that room and you saw the problem of this union. Did you see anybody there? They say, this one will look each other, this one will look each other. Because maybe they were expecting to look into the mirror and they will see something else. But it didn't happen like that. What they saw was themselves. The man told them, everything you see on that mirror is the problem of this union. Why this union will not move forward. Okay? What you saw on that mirror is the reason this union is not moving forward. That thing you saw on that mirror is the evil man we have in this union. Until that thing you saw on that mirror change, this union will never move forward. So, how many among you are ready to work with that thing and compel that thing you saw on that mirror to change so that this union will move forward? You see? So sometimes, when you are sacking people, look within yourself. The problem may come from you. This is a word that you can't get anywhere. I know none of you watching me now. We have about 5,000 people at this point watching me. I know none of you may have had this kind of story. But I am well packaged. I am well loaded. I will be dishing it to you as the event unfolds. Atụọrọ ọmara. Atụọrọ ofeke. Ofenyi si n'ọhịa. Sometimes, the problem we are looking to solve, pointing our finger on others, are within us. Sometimes, when we are looking for solution, the solution is also inside us. Now, you see, how many of you will do what I have done now? How many? How many of you will do will summon the courage to do what I am doing here this evening? How many? That is how to separate men and boys. So I am throwing challenge to everybody involved, especially men. Especially men, because we are the strongest vessel. Our women are, women are weaker vessel. So I'm not bringing women here, but I'm talking about men. So how many of you will come down from the mountain where you have hanged yourself and do what I did this evening? When you do it, it may be a turning point for a lot of people. It may be a turning point for even the women. It may be a turning point to those who said over their dead body will dare talk with Simon Ekpa? How many of you will summon the courage and do what I'm doing here? Because as I'm talking to you now, I have just done my part. So it is up to you. Take up the challenge. If you are genuine, if you want the best interest of this movement, if you are really fighting for Biafra, it is not the time to hate your brother. It is not the time to say over your dead body, will you talk with somebody who have done nothing to you, who don't even know who you are? It is not the time to castigate one another. Because you don't know me, I don't know you. So it is time. But you know what? I am not expecting you to be me. You can never be me. What I am doing now is what makes me different. I don't want, you can never be me. But you know what? You don't need to be me to do similar thing I am doing now. Now we move. This evening I have come to address the Nas Kakos of the Southeast, and I'm going to first of all play the video before I address them. But before I do that, I am going to be playing all these prophecies I have given in the past so that it will tally with what I'm about to do this evening. Now, let us go there. Yesterday, as I played that video, some of you didn't see it. Some of you did not see it. You say, the video was not playing now. The video was not playing now. So here we go. Here we move.
Take heart.
I see danger coming. The danger in the positive way. I see this self-imposed sit at home being extended. I see Tuesday, I see Friday. And the thing I am pleading to the leadership is, before this thing gets to this point, my message to the governors of the Southeast is that the stage this thing is going to enter now will be very disastrous. The people are being controlled